How to create Gmail account without phone number. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Gmail. Once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, click on the option that says Add another account. You will get to this page right here, from which you want to choose the method that you want to create the Gmail account with. For this tutorial, let's choose Google. As soon as you do that, you will get to this page right here, from which you want to click on the blue text option at the bottom left of the box that says Create Account. Feel free to choose whether you want a personal or business account. I'm going to choose personal. Once you do that, you will get to this page where you need to enter your name. Then click Next. After that, enter your birthday and gender, then click Next. After that, feel free to pick a Gmail address or create your own, then click Next. After that, create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, then click Next. And now you will get to the page where you can add a phone number to your account or not, as Gmail asks you right here. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see a blue text option that says Skip. Click on it. As soon as you do that, the phone number step will be skipped, and you will get to this page where you will be able to review your account info. Once you do that, click on Next, and here you will get to the privacy and terms page. Once you have read and agreed with them, the account will be created without using a phone number. So that was it for this video. That's how to create Gmail account without phone number. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.